Hey, hello, my friends. I have something for you, and I am not happy at all about it. And I want you guys to watch this video to the end, and you will see the reason why I am not happy. Not just me, so many Africans around the world, they are not happy about what I'm about to say. Yes, when you think some African leaders are beginning to turn the page and we are happy, all of a sudden they will do something so stupid that you will never ever believe your eyes. Yes, we thought they are turning the page. Not all of them, but some of them, all of a sudden, they forget about what they need to do. And they become so stupid. I'm going to talk about this man here. Not just him alone, some other countries, some other leaders in Africa. I like him. Since he came back to power, I believe that he's turning the page. And many people from his country believe that he's turning the page. What happened? This man all of a sudden turned 360 degrees to do something so stupid that I don't expect. And this is what he did. Do you know that there is no country in this world that will deport another country's citizen to America and America will accept them? It's impossible. You cannot deport people that does not belong to America to America. That is one of the stupid things that this man did. People that are not from Ghana, deportees from America, he happily accepts them into Ghana. I don't understand. Can Ghana deport citizens from another country to America and America will accept them? It's impossible. How much do they pay him? How much? We thought he's turning a new page and he end up disappointing us this way. It's a disgrace to some African leaders that we are starting to praise that they are turning a new page. What happened? How can this man do that to people that expect good things from him? How can you expect deportees from another country that does not belong to your country in your own country? It's a disgrace. And I believe that I'm not the only one getting angry. There are so many black people out there that is very angry and disappointed, most especially the Ghanaians. You people must call this man to order. If not, we will go after him on social media. Yes, I believe he's a good man. I believe he's turning a new page. But what he did now, we are watching you. Be careful. Anyway, I will leave you guys for now. Repost this video. Share this video so that it will get to him. If not, there will be problem. I'll see you guys soon. One love.
Se Ghana phone to gas ya ne board ne yatum 8% se de ebe affect baumia na Ghana boafu fu no makoto aba e de atia baumia o heda na yes ade no because Ghana gas nyina no na Canada Japan e na ye board time nti okwa abato na wanya no or panasi MPP for and to a two gas mua a bema Ghana for boafu no matter about atia MPP into a month one November no one more mat to gas mu November 2024 na kwatia baumia o ria wa baba katre ye say baumia a bad candidate ye yo what say ni video bi o say astrotef nyina no ono na ye Ghana gas board time na Ghana gas for na ye omo na ye astrotef na omu ho hinti onye producer abo video no obi aye
no me na me ye chairman Ghana gas metimi ami ayamama enso me nya dia astrotep no me na me ye chairman Ghana gas metimi ami ayamama enso me nya dia astrotep no me na me ye chairman Ghana gas metimi ami ayamama enso me nya dia astrotep no me na me ye chairman Ghana gas metimi ami ayamama enso me nya dia astrotep no me na me ye chairman Ghana gas metimi ami ayamama enso me nya dia astrotep no
Monty board chairman Ghana gas no mo ye astrotep nyina enso so onye ampe before mo ntie no ye astrotep ana ukọ constituency bebra na omo pe bebre no na Ghana gas ya twasika over $200 million from their budget omo se Ghana nyina omo befri ase aye astrotef Canada Japan say omo kwa aba no manto ama no enti onye astrotef no ehu video ni enne ono nam say yemfa sobo no emmo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wato gas mu ama Ghana fo boafu as a board chairman owie ya budget omukwaje parliament omudi ba ye astrotef no wa ma ntua ka because omutua na so omu ye astrotef no mbehwe so to AbaMAHAMA Bawumia nti ontu
according to him me de ono asem kan na me kan wa ha o say parliament kra no ya saya suspend wo mo reopening because
mo ko fit eno mo de court
abayin release sika abayin person obe spend hwe because when him so spend ya economy ne beji egu entin artificially institutions ni na obia ni sika obia subvention koye to the extent say parliament o ohinba this is the state I won't say CA as on mine parliament entimi reconvene because omu ni sika inti sikani ho a parliament de be ye adwuma. Can you imagine oman ayi oheneba? Can you imagine this? Sa ade we si na dan kwakufu ado abamu a enka CSO so called neutrals enkomo mayaso enna se parliament akọ recess also mo reconvene ya sign postpone according to the ranking member on defense honorable intim fojo or say parliament sika or say the bre parliament ni emfa maaye ena oheneba nim say o kan bibi na I want to also rehash it here or say Ghana yenye serious because we are so mo bie ni ho a ebe peniama ne minister of defense ministry no aye empty for 3 months. Ye minister of defense atorianchema si omanyimu amma wahwere ne nkwa up to date ye ni minister of defense substantive minister of defense because parliament ni sika ni ebe reconvene wo omo na letter from presidency I'm nominating say I nominate obi next speaker announce our plenary ho. That is the procedure. And sana committee no atnasia veti ni pakro near the report number sitting no mabe approve ne nipa na yakoswe ni in our presidency. So almost 3 months in your heneba. You need Minister of Defense. According to Honorable Intim Fodio, and the reason is that they cannot reconvene Parliament. This is a serious lap.
And now your neighboring countries, the Ekokosu, you
see,
Mali, Burkina, Togo,
Bebia, Nioma basa. These terrorists, no neighboring countries, no, as on my, you need substantive Minister of Defense. Parliament is on recess. Emergency fund and recall Parliament back. Nominate you be me vetting go through the processes. Am I Minister of Defense or Heneba? How? Bonnie Ben or mine yaye. Now be I dean.